Are you looking for something different for your next party dessert? Mochi ice cream might be the answer. Wow your guests with this special authentic dessert. Let's get started. First, shape your choice of ice cream into balls and freeze them for at least 2 hours. I use vanilla, strawberry, and homemade matcha ice cream. Well-packed and firmly shaped ice cream is key to successful mochi ice cream. Don't skip this step. Now let's make mochi. Pour 1 cup of milk and 1/3 cups of sugar in the pan. Heat the milk on low heat and mix till the sugar dissolves. I will show you 2 ways to make mochi, in a pan and using a microwave. If you want to watch the microwave version first, select the chapter below to jump ahead. Turn the heat off and add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. You can use different types of oil as long as it has a mild flavor. And half teaspoon of vanilla extract. Add the glutinous rice flour little by little. And mix well. Glutinous rice flour is available in major supermarkets in Australia. In US, people can get sweet rice flour mochiko. If you want to make colorful mochi ice cream, add food coloring. Once it gets smooth, turn the heat back on to medium-low. It's cooking nicely. Keep stirring. I've changed the whisk to a wooden spoon as the mochi will stick inside the whisk. My pan is a little sticky. It's about time to get a new one, I think. Make sure you scrape the dough from the side of the pan too. When the dough comes together, it's ready. Place the mochi on a bowl dusted with starch. I'm using tapioca flour, but you could use other type of starch, such as cornstarch, potato starch, or even the glutinous rice flour works fine too. Dust the mochi with starch and flatten it with a rolling pin. Make sure you dust the rolling pin as well. Cut it into squares, then put it in the fridge for about 20 minutes to cool down. Once the dough has cooled down, you can wrap the ice cream. This is the most difficult part of making mochi ice cream. You have to work quickly, as ice cream will melt very quickly. My mochi sheet was a little bit too big. You can adjust the sheet size depending on the size of the ice cream balls you made. Place the mochi sheet on top of the plastic wrap, then put the ice cream ball on top. Bring the 4 corners together. Pinch and close. If the mochi doesn't stick, put some water. And if the mochi is too sticky, put some starch on it. Wrap it with plastic wrap and put it straight in the freezer. Now, I will show you how to make mochi using a microwave. I'm using almond milk for this batch. Put almond milk, sugar, and oil in a microwavable bowl. Add vanilla extract and mix well. Add glutinous rice flour in 2 to 3 separate batches. Mix well till the mixture gets smooth. Avoid any clumps. If you want to add food coloring, you can, but this is optional. Cover with plastic wrap loosely and microwave it for 2 minutes. Only some parts are cooked. Mix it well. Put the plastic wrap back and microwave it for 2 more minutes. The mochi and the bowl get very hot, so please be careful. Mix the mochi. When it's cooked, it turns a translucent color. If your mochi is still powdery, microwave it for 1 more minute. The cooking time may vary depending on the type of the microwave, but keep doing this process until your mixture becomes nice and sticky. Mix it well. Then move it to a bowl dusted with starch. Mochi is very sticky, so wetting the spoon makes it easier to handle. Dust the mochi with starch and flatten it with a rolling pin. Make sure you dust the rolling pin as well. Cover with plastic wrap and place in the fridge for 20 minutes to cool it down. Dust the mochi with starch, otherwise it will stick to everything. And then, cut it into square shapes. Dust off the mochi seed. Place the mochi seed on top of the plastic wrap, then put the ice cream ball on top. Bring the 4 corners together. Pinch and close. I recommend taking the ice cream balls one at a time from the freezer as they melt very quickly. Wrap the mochi ice cream with plastic wrap, then put it straight in the freezer. One of my favorite ice creams in Japan is a mochi ice cream called Yukimi Daifuku. It has been a long-time hit. It has been sold in Japan since 1981, over 40 years. If you have a chance to visit Japan, please try it. You can find it in most convenience stores, and the price is only around $2 for 2 mochi ice cream per pack. Good value, isn't it? What's your favorite ice cream? Please write me in the comments. Thank you for watching my video. I'll be uploading more easy Japanese food recipes soon. Please subscribe to my channel and then you won't miss out on new videos. Thank you. またね。